Honda CRV G4 2012 high spec version, original reverse camera. So change 9-inch target audio Qualcomm Android big screen player with 9-inch casing. It's a clip-on OEM casing. A plug-and-play high-spec canbus socket to connect original reverse camera. Steering control.
仲有啊，而家咩年代啊，仲有人寫信嘅。咦？
Radio, preset channel, 18 channel, home, full menu, Waze, YouTube, Spotify can download from Google Play Store, a login at Gmail, Z file link for CarPlay, Android Auto, CarPlay and Android Auto Connect. A Bluetooth pairing with your phone Bluetooth, you can answer call from the player, and it's got an external microphone for mic in. Setting Wi-Fi. Share your phone hotspot, 2.4 or 5G Wi-Fi, a player online, or insert a 4G SIM card. It's got a 4G SIM slot for online, a USB extension. Original got 2 USB slot. You can optional to add on, change another is 2-in-1 USB. The player is got a 2 USB slot, but can change to extend to 3 USB input. A radio antenna, GPS antenna and a 4G antenna is hidden inside the pillar. A radio antenna is connected to your original radio antenna. Software version, Android 12, a Qualcomm 2.2 GHz 506 GPU, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, a screen resolution 1280x720 megapixel. Okay, factory setting, password 2468. So for Honda CRV high spec, you have to set your CAN bus. You select Race Honda in 2015. G4 you have to set for the 2015 version. Click save to set your CAN bus. Okay, square icon. You have to clear apps, clear it one by one or clear all. Okay. A small reset. RST is for simple reset. Pin inside got a small button for players simple reset. Okay, this is 9-inch big screen Android Auto with OEM casing and CAN bus socket for Honda CRV G4. Thank you.